Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, make sure you drop a like on the video and subscribe right down there if you're brand new. Referee, hurry up and blow the whistle. Let's go. Now with Manchester United announced today that Luke Shaw has put pen to paper and signed a new 4-year contract. It's only right that we talk about the man that was, is, and will be Luke Shaw. Now, Luke Shaw was touted to be the next best thing since Patrice Evra. He came out of the Southampton Academy like watching bread flow through butter the way the man run down the left flank every day, watching him with Southampton. And I was very happy for him to sign for Manchester United. He was touted to be the best left back in the league in the next 5 years. It didn't turn out that way for him. Just when Louis van Gaal came to Manchester United and we saw how he kicked off preseason flowing down the left flank, and that one tackle that broke his legs in 2 places, took him out the game for a whole year. Now the man had fight, he had grit, he had power, he had people around him. Manchester United supported him, people supported him, fans supported him. He fought back and he came back into the team. But this man had a topsy-turvy kind of career with Manchester United so far. After he came back from injury, it just seemed like everything was just up and down. One season he had a great season, next season he was shit. Next season he was good, other seasons he was shit. When he got into the first English team to play for England, you thought, all right, he can only kick on from here. But after that, shit again. Jose Mourinho made the man seem like he's a baby the entire time. With Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, he just lost his spot under Ole Gunnar Solskjaer completely. He lost it to Brandon Williams, and he could just not recover. In the second season with Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, that season when it all fell down for Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, one of the main man through that team was Luke Shaw. He came back, fought back for his team, and he stayed in that team. And Ralph Ragnick, ups and downs again. The team was not performing. Luke Shaw was not performing. And you would think, all right, what will happen under the new management? What will happen under Erik ten Hag with Luke Shaw? And the first 2 games, wasn't much to write about, people. He was crap. He was absolute shit. And when the 3rd game come around after they beat Liverpool, you can see when Luke Shaw and Harry Maguire sitting in the stands because they know they've lost their position in the team and they need to fight to get it back. And that's what he did. He's been a fighter all his life and he fought back, and he's now one of the standout players in the team. And I'm proud to say that Erik ten Hag and Manchester United has seen it so to give Luke Shaw a contract. New 4-year contract. This is going to see the man play for Manchester United over 10 years. That means at the end of this next year, he will be one of the few who has a testimonial. Luke Shaw, bless up yourself, fam. Bless up yourself. You have done well for Manchester United, and you could do more, and you will do more. You're in your peak of football right now. Go out there, do your best. Bless up yourself, bless up others. Manaz.